1, we see Hannah bringing her son, Samuel, the first prophet in the Bible, to the Lord. And she prayed, I prayed for this child, and the Lord gave me for what I have asked of him. So now I give him to the Lord.
Covered in snow, but you keep me warm as the sun. I wanna share my life with you, cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other, and I have wings when I'm with you, my love.
Oil symbolizes the presence and the power of the Holy Spirit, and today we anoint 30 as a sign of His consecration to God.
Let go in the sky and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll guard the
Happy 7th birthday, Turkey!
We love you so much.
I love you.
take me to the top.
Happy 7th birthday, Turkey! Happy 7th birthday, Turkey!
Yeah, I gotta live my life.
Si Turdy, siyempre, ano yan, malambing. Tapos, sigit sa lahat kinakain.
Ako unang-una, syempre may takot siya sa Panginoon at the same time, kung ano yung sabihin namin, alam niya kung ano yung ang tama at mali. At the same time, super sweet niya talaga.
And I'm sipping all night, cold, whatever the morning. And I'm living my
Nagmana, syempre sa tatay. Halatang halata naman, parang Xerox copy, di ba?
Sa tatay nagmana ng itsura, ugali sa nanay.
little things like ice, cold, whatever the morning. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I know everything takes time.
Happy dedication and happy 7th birthday to you. Wish you all the best and be a good boy to your mom and dad always. And may God bless you and protect you always.
Turdy, wish ko sa'yo, piliin mong maging best friend ng iyong matina. At kung gusto mong maging successful sa buhay, isa lang ang formula, respect them. At huwag mong hayaan makita mo yung iyong ina.
And I'm sipping all night, cold, whatever the morning. And I'm living my life with you in my life.
This cap is a reminder that you are a masterpiece of God.
This is our gift. It symbolizes knowledge and wisdom na marami kang matututunan in the future using these gifts.
Happy birthday to my little blessing. Stay happy, kind, and blessed today and always.
Anyone who can see what's around you and they know knuckles getting brighter.
Turdy, Tres, nawa lumaki ka ng may matibay na pananampalataya. Di man namin mabigay yung mga gusto mo, mahalaga mabigay namin at mapakilala namin sa iyo, Panginoon Jesus. Lumaki ka mo pinabata at enjoy mo, sulitin mo ang bawat sandali. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
And I'm sipping all night, cold, whatever the morning. And I'm living my life with you in by my side.
Happy 7th birthday, my love. Lumaki sa kasanang mabuting bata. At the same time, pinaka-importante na meron kang takot sa Panginoon. Lumaki matalinong bata. May respeto sa lahat ng mga nakakatanda, mapabata at matanda.
Cold, whatever